Hello students, in this video we are going to cover various forms of energies. We have already discussed about mechanical energy and in that kinetic and potential energy in our previous video. Now we are going to discuss about chemical energy. What is chemical energy? The energy which is stored in matter that can become available for work through chemical process is called as chemical energy. That is the energy which is stored in the food, fuels, etc. which can be transferred from their matter form into energy form is called as chemical energy. This energy is released out when chemicals are either burned or when they undergo chemical change, that is chemical process, chemical reactions. For example, energy stored in food, energy stored in fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas is termed as chemical energy. So the energy stored in food like apple, grapes, etc. is your chemical energy, as well as the energy which is stored in the fuel in the form of coal is also chemical energy. When we burn this fuel, the chemical energy is released out in different forms. Like in this case, it will be released out in the form of light energy and heat energy. Now covering second form, that is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy which is produced due to the flow of electric charge through a substance. This electrical energy is used to run devices like computers, televisions, refrigerators, washing machines, fans and trains, coolers, etc. Like this fan, it will work only when the electricity will be supplied. When the switch is on, in that case, it will start working because of electrical energy. Next form of energy is light energy. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see the objects around us. Our eyes can sense this light energy, and the light energy is also used by plants to prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. The light energy of the sun is entrapped by the chlorophyll present in plant, which is green color pigment, which changes the light energy into the chemical energy which is stored in the food. Next form of energy is heat energy. Heat is a form of energy that causes a sensation of hotness and coldness. The increased temperature causes hotness and the decreased temperature causes coldness. The feeling, the sensation is because of heat energy. It can be transferred from a hotter body to a cooler body and has the capacity to do the work. Heat energy is produced by burning fuels such as wood, coal, like is given in this diagram. On burning wood, we obtain heat energy. Using electrical appliances such as heaters, geysers, irons and ovens also produces heat energy. We use heat energy to cook our food, to warm up water for different purposes and to keep ourselves warm when we use heaters. Next form of energy is sound energy. Sound energy is produced when a force causes a body to vibrate. Vibration produces energy which strikes on our eardrums present in our ears, and the eardrums then vibrate and we can hear it as sound. So the energy is called as sound energy. Taking up example of beating of a drum. When a drum is beaten with the help of sticks, in that case there is vibration of the membrane of the drum. The drum produces sound energy, and this sound energy is received by our eardrums, and the eardrums vibrate and we hear it in the form of sound. Next one is magnetic energy. The energy stored in the magnets is called as magnetic energy. Due to this energy, the magnets can attract magnetic materials like iron objects. Now covering uses of magnetic energy. Magnetic energy of the large magnets can be used for separation of iron from the scrap with the help of electromagnetic cranes, and this magnetic energy can also be used for MRI purpose, for storing data in computers, to make tight door seals and other places also. Now covering nuclear energy. When the nucleus of an atom splits, means when it divides, or when the nuclei of different atoms combine, then a large amount of energy is released out in the form of heat and radiation. This energy is called as nuclear energy. In the center of an atom there is nucleus, and when the nucleus is splitted out, or when there is combination of atoms, at that time the energy released out is nuclear energy. In nuclear power plants, this nuclear energy is used to generate electricity. So, when the atoms split, the process is called nuclear fission, and when the atoms combine, the process is called nuclear fusion. So whenever there is process of nuclear fission or nuclear fusion, there is production of nuclear energy, which can be used to generate electricity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Oh,